Welcome back for another video, everyone. My name is Haley. Today I'm going to be installing a temporary speaker on my 2006 Honda Shadow Spirit, and then eventually I'll be putting on a better speaker when the rally comes around and I get a better deal on it. This is the bike we're working on today. It's my 2006 Honda Shadow Spirit 1100. I've had this bike for many years. It actually belonged to my brother before he passed away. So I'm trying to take good care of it, and one of the things I'm going to do for tomorrow is put on this temporary speaker, this JBL Wind3. Now this thing appears to be made for pedal bikes more than motorcycles. I didn't really want to spend $400 on the Kuryakin model on Amazon at the moment, so I'm going to check and see if I can get it a little cheaper at the rally. But it sounds like it should work according to other YouTube videos, but I'm going to go ahead and get this put on and then show you what that looks like and how it sounds. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this now, just see what all it comes with. It's pretty straightforward. The speaker itself, it's got the clip on the back, and it's got the mounting bracket. Behind it, we've got the screw that holds it in, and then a rubber band to wrap around the bars, and then a power cord. Pretty simple. This looks like it's just going to wrap around on the inside of the ring. Let's go ahead and get this installed. It appears that this ring that's on here is going to be a hair bit bigger than what my bar is. So I'm going to need to use these little rubber grommet pieces that they gave to us. First, I'm just going to slide this on. Put it generally where I kind of want it. And I'm going to try to get this stuffed up under here. In a way that will somewhat make sense. There we go. So just had to slide that underneath of it. Fits fairly snug. I'll zoom in on this here in just a second for you. Now that I got it on there, I'm going to wiggle it down just to the right spot. Just right to where it needs to be, which is right there. So this is on. All I had to do was slide this little rubber piece that you can see right here. Underneath of this, I had to open up the back just a hair and then slide it on and then slid it down into position where I want it. Just gonna snug it up. And now I'll go ahead and get the pin. Came with this little pin right here. And we'll stick this over the back. Just tighten her down. Before I get it too snug, I'm gonna go ahead and put the clip on to make sure it fits where I want it to fit. I have this adjusted to where I think I want it now, so I'll show you how it fits on here. Basically just set this on, slides down, clips in just like that, and it's set and ready to go. So now that I have this where I want it, and it's locked in, and it's in a good spot, it's not blocking any of my gauges, it's not blocking any of my cables here. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this all the way down, and then we'll peel off the stickers and give her a whirl, see how it sounds. I've got this installed. I'm going to peel this guy off now. I think I already got it paired to my phone. And power it up. See if I can get it to FM radio. There it goes. Get it up to a local station. I have it connected to my phone now. I couldn't get it to find a radio station inside my steel garage. But I'm going to play some copyright-free music so I don't get my video flagged and just show you how it sounds. sure how loud that is. That's max volume right there. Somewhat loud. I feel like it's probably not going to be loud enough to hear when you're on the highway, but good enough to hear at least when you're strolling through town, even with the helmet on. Thank you for sticking around to watch another video with me today. I appreciate you guys and your time. I'll test out that speaker tomorrow on our poker run, see how it plays, see how it sounds, get some feedback on it. Ultimately, it's just a temporary music situation until I can get to the rally this summer and pick up something a little bit better for this bike. And since today's such a short video, I figured I would show you guys my partner in crime here. His name's Igor. So this is Igor. He's a good boy, Siberian Husky, just over 2 years old. He pretty much comes out here and hangs out with me nonstop. He does everything I do, so in all the videos in the background, he's usually just laying down on the ground. But we both thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Thank you for your time, and I hope you guys have a great day.